Hey guys, really quick, check out this new toy I got. Look at the spark on that thing. I gotta see if I can find a neon light. Gotta be really careful though. I put my finger there thinking it was low voltage and it's not. It's high voltage and it shocked the shit out of me. Anyway, it's just a new toy. Let me see if I can find a light bulb, see if I can get it lit. Stay tuned. So I can't find a fluorescent bulb. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I've got one. Hold tight. There we go. Man, I made a mistake and held the other end of the metal rod, the fluorescent rod. All right, that's enough. Ciao. So one of the things I didn't realize about this, it gives off a wicked smell. Like, I'm not really sure what that is. Is that just the air ionizing? Is it this plastic piece? So if you guys know what that smell is, let me know. Yow. Yeah, that's enough. Ciao.